Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 fasteners securing the housing. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF4031 filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.